In this video, I will show you how you can lock your Facebook profile and make it more secure. So let's get started. First we need to go to the Facebook profile page. First click the profile icon on the top right of the screen. And next, in this screen, we need to click our Facebook profile name. Now we are on our Facebook profile page. Here we need to click the three-dotted More option. In the Profile Settings screen is where we will see Lock Profile tab. To view it, we need to turn Professional Mode off, so let's click this Professional Mode Off tab. And we need to click Continue on this screen, and again, we need to click Turn Off tab on this screen. Now, we need to go back to the Profile Settings screen and refresh the page. And we have the Lock Profile tab visible. We can click on it and lock our Facebook profile. And we have done locking our Facebook profile page. Only our friends can view our full-size profile picture, other photos, videos, and posts we share. But Facebook users can still search and send us friend requests. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when we add new content.